The Times this morning leads with a story that we've heard it before. It's a threat to leave the European Court of Human Rights. A warning shot to Strasbourg that should it try and prevent the Rwanda flights, Britain will simply walk away. And I think this is a really shocking situation. Really shocking. On a point of ideology, we're prepared to make ourselves into an international pariah. And the Supreme Court is hearing the Rwanda case in October, from October the 9th, I think. And the rumour suggests that the government is going to win this particular legal battle. I think it's going to be very close. And I'm not so convinced the government will win. But if it does, it wants to make a point. I don't think the Rwanda option, even if it were to go ahead, would deter refugees from coming here. That makes me sound as if I'm conceding defeat. I'm not. I also think the Rwanda option is phenomenally bad in terms of the fact that Rwanda itself has demonstrated it cannot look after refugees. Rwanda is not a safe country. And there were refugees killed in 2018. And there still hasn't been a proper inquiry into that. So not only are refugees not safe in Rwanda, demonstrably, but there isn't a clear and transparent process for identifying when problems go wrong. At the same time, the country is clearly in a state of potential war, and should a very brittle peace collapse, the legal position would be very, very complex, because we have tried to abrogate our responsibility to these refugees, transferring them to a third party. I think that means we are legally still responsible, and if the country erupts into war or civil war, we have to get those refugees out. More expense, more confusion, and this is quite apart from the possibility that these people may be genuine refugees. They may not be. They may not be. But they may be. And I don't think playing around at the edges of law like this is the right example to give to other international players, like Russia, for example, playing around at the edge of law. Yes, if we do it, they can do it with impunity. And what grounds do we have to stand on? The law is written in words, and we ought to be able to find the words to challenge those things we don't like. And if we can't challenge those things we don't like, then we have to live with them, or we need to rework them, rework them internationally, not unilaterally. Unilateral defiance makes us into an international pariah.